Ever noticed your fillers seem to be disappearing? Filler migration happens mostly due to gravity, excessive facial expressions, and improper injection techniques. Therefore, it's important to choose a qualified injector with experience, as well as high-quality fillers with a proven track record of staying in place. Also, be sure to follow aftercare instructions and limit facial movements for a few days after filler treatment. But if you already have an issue with filler migration, do not worry. Hyaluronic acid-based fillers are designed to dissolve naturally, or you can fix the filler with hyaluronidase, an enzyme that accelerates the breakdown of the product. Gentle massage by a trained professional can also help redistribute the filler, as well as top-up treatments for facial balancing and asymmetry. Don't let filler migration ruin your aesthetic goals. Schedule a consultation with a qualified provider today. Come vibe with us. Like and subscribe to our channel.